Hello everyone, today we are doing a product review, Ruvati 33-inch matte white farmhouse kitchen sink. It's a great way to upgrade your kitchen with elegance and performance. It's crafted from 80% crushed natural granite composite, giving you stone-like strength with a refined matte finish that won't discolor over time. Work smarter with built-in workstation ledges, perfect for drying racks or cutting boards. It turns your sink into a prep station, keeping counters clutter-free. At 33-inch wide and 9-inch bowl depth, it handles everything from large cookware to everyday dishes with ease. Farmhouse apron-front design pairs beautifully with modern or classic styles and fits standard 36-inch cabinets. This sink offers dual installation options, a sharp, modern apron front or a softly rounded apron front. Stylish, strong, functional. The Ruvati Farmhouse brings performance and premium design to your kitchen. You can buy this sink using the links below. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.